So we started out with pinning the underarm right sides together
Okay.
so that the underarm seam on the sleeve and the side seam on the shirt lines up.
Okay.
Okay, and we put a pin right here like that. We're sewing this way, so my pins will always go vertical to my sewing direction.
Okay.
Now I'm going to work my way up to that notch in the back, making sure I'm not stretching or anything, just lining up. The notches line up. I'm going to once again put a pin at right angles to the sewing direction. And you can just put one more pin here to secure it. Okay. Now let's do the front of the sleeve. Once again, don't stretch at it, pull at it, just smoothly. Go up to the notch, pin, another pin here to secure it. When I say line up, you're lining up the raw edges, right? So the bottom is good, okay? It's sort of secured. Now I just want to make sure that you have a shoulder notch here, like a sleeve cap notch, which will actually go onto the shoulder. And to work this, we'll actually go on the inside. Go to the inside of the sleeve, line up that notch with your shoulder seam. Once again, pin at right angles to sewing direction, right? And pretty much you'll see the rest of it will ease in place. Line it up, pin, pin, line it up. Okay, now if you see a situation where you have more of a sleeve and it's getting that way, pull the, yeah, you can cut and get little, just maybe use the seam ripper and get this stitch off, get some of the gathers out so you can fit it in. Okay, the job is to fit it perfectly. The front seems to have a little bit of a tighter sleeve cap than the opening, like the armhole. You can essentially go here, and before I do that, I'll just secure this part off. Just cut one stitch here, sometimes it might cut the fabric, so you want to be just careful to just, it's tight, huh? My seam ripper is much bigger than your stitch.
Yeah.
Just being careful because it's easy to cut the fabric, you know. When I started sewing and I bought the list said seam ripper, I'm like, who needs that? And then I was like, oh my god, that's my best friend now.
Yeah.
So, okay. So now you'll be able to ease some of that out and fit that in. Pin, pin. When you're machine stitching, you're going to get under the machine like this. Start at the underarm at a 1/2 inch. Start sewing so much. Stop, get this lay. So you have to do it in sections because you're going around a circular sort of a thing.
Right.
And when you come back up here, when you reach back up here, just overlap and finish up.
Okay.
And then we'll also serge this. You can bring it up. I'll show you how to serge. Okay.
Okay.